How to fix Minecraft not responding easy and quick. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First all you need to do, just right click here, go to task manager. Now just go to memory and close all the applications that uses your memory, like NordVPN, Chrome, Google Chrome, and that's it. Applications that you don't need. And after that, all you need to do, just go to settings and go to privacy. Scroll down, you'll find background apps and turn off all the background apps here. And that's it. Now I hope that can help you. After that, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, click here and close the applications again, and close it from here, task manager. And I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.